In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw euro from Binance. Once you've logged into your Binance account and launch your application just like this, at the top left, click on the menu icon. So we are going to look for P2P and click on it. So once you open up your P2P, at the top right here, change your currency to euros. So just click right there and we are going to look for euros. And right here, we're just going to maintain USDT for our crypto. But if you want to use another one, then just click right there and select whichever crypto you want to use. But we're going to use USDT. Make sure you're on the sell tab. So we're going to click right here on sell. So what we're basically doing is that we're going to sell some crypto and we are going to have our money in euros sent directly to our bank account. So we're just going to look for a verified person right here and we're going to click on sell. So you are just going to put the amount of euro you intend withdrawing right here, let's say 500 euros. And when you do that, you just need to select a payment method. There you can just go ahead and choose your bank or whichever payment method you like to use and enter your bank info. And then you're just going to come back right here and click on place order. So when choosing an advertiser, make sure that you're selling to an advertiser that is verified by Binance.